Hi there, I'm Jimmy House with A1 Vacuum Sales and Service, Louisville, Kentucky, right here in the Highlands. Today I'm going to show off the Sebo German-made K3 canister. Just to get started, I like to start with the nozzle. It has 4 different height adjustments, so you can raise that nozzle to the perfect height for your oriental rugs and wall-to-wall carpets. On the bottom, you have a door here in case you accidentally pick up a sock or a hairpin, something like that. You can easily get in there to remove it. The brush roll you can get removed without any type of tools. So you can just take the roller off, service it, get the hair off of there, insert it back in, and then put that cap right on there with a little bit of a twist and a snap. You can make the perfect height with the telescopic wands. There's a lot of different latches there, so it's a perfect adjustment. You have your brush roll turn off right here at your fingertips where you can turn the roller on and off if you're going from oriental rugs, wall-to-wall carpet, back to your hardwood. A lot of times you do want the roller turned off on your wood. You have your suction control, so you can adjust your suction for your perfect power for your orientals, drapes, fabrics, things like that. On the back here, you have a crevice tool. On top, you have your upholstery tool, and then you do have a dusting tool that you can sit right here on the wand if you want all 3 cleaning tools on board for you for easy access. On the back here, you can get into the bag very easily by the back door. Remove the bag just like that. Easily inserted right back in. Close her on up. This comes with a stock 5-year warranty, but right now if you purchase it through an authorized dealer like myself, you can get a extended warranty all the way up to a 10-year motor, 10-year non-wear parts, and 7 years labor. So that is a pretty good and aggressive warranty going on right now. If you want more information on that, you can give us a call, 502-451-4515. Or if you live in our area and you would like to come in and try this out, we keep all models stocked on our showroom floor ready for you to demo. And then if you know you like this vacuum and you want to purchase it, you can find us at a1vacsales.com. Thank you so much, and you have a good day.